With our database table constructed, we can look now at how to insert rows of data. Unsurprisingly, SQL has an insert statement for this very purpose. It follows this syntax. To insert a 2020 Toyota Prius into our cars table, we would substitute in the relevant column names and values. Note that we didn't specify the ID column in the insert statement, yet the ID value for our new row was automatically inserted as 1. Why is this? Well, let's look at how the cars table was created, using the create table command. Notice that the ID column was created using the special data type of serial. The serial data type auto-increments that column's value for each time the insert command is executed. That means when we use another insert, our table will get a new row with an ID of 2. If we insert again, the next row will automatically have an ID of 3, and so on. Now, if we try to make an insert where the data types of the values don't match the data types of the columns, the query will fail and will return an error, like the one you see here that says invalid input syntax for type integer Jeep. Let's parse what this error message means. What this is telling us is that our syntax was incorrect because the first argument should be for the column year, and it expected to have an integer value. But instead, we gave it the string value of Jeep. So it tells us, bad programmer, you can't do that. Thankfully, our database is smart enough to show us this error message instead of trying to put in bad data. And our table remains unchanged unless we fix and rerun our insert query.